Warning, please use in cautious and do not abuse this method. Step number 1, grab your mobile phone or your computer. Step 2, you have to click on the website just like this. And step 3, you can get paid starting today. And bam, as simple as that. So I want you to take a look at the real payment proof on this website. Look at this. Every single day, there are real people from different countries in the world. They're able to cash out their earnings in different payment methods. $10 US, $9, $8, 14 US dollars, and when I scroll down below, even up to 19 US dollars. There are literally hundreds and hundreds of people. They are making money by simply clicking on websites. So you might be thinking, how much money can you earn from this? From just one click on the website, you can earn about 35 cents. So just imagine about this. 100 clicks can make you 35 US dollars, and I'll show you how to do that in less than 5 minutes. This method today requires no money to get started because this is absolutely free, and you can do this from basically anywhere in the world. Now, first of all, in this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account, and very quickly, I'll show you a few real-life examples on how to do this. And throughout the entire video, I'll be showing with you a lot of bonus tips that can help you to earn triple more money compared to other people. So make sure you stay tuned and don't miss out on that. Now, before we get into this video, can you please help me to like this video? You are absolutely amazing. With that being said, let's get into the video. So right now, first of all, I want you to go on to this website, which is aticlicks.net. So as you can see here on this website, you can start earning extra cash for your online activities. So there are different ways to make money on this website. You can refer other people, you can do daily bonuses, you can do a lot of free offers. But the main focus on this website is actually visiting and clicking on different websites, which I'll show you a lot of examples in this video. Make sure you keep watching. So every single day, you can make money online by simply clicking on the website. $9, $10, $8, very quickly, that you can repeat this again and again. So right now, first of all, I want to show you how to sign up for a free account, and I want you to go ahead and click on this button, which is register. That's going to take you to this page of the registration, as you can see here, and the sign up process is a little bit tricky, and there are a total of 4 parts to answer. So make sure you watch the entire video so that you can actually start making money. So right now on part number 1, which is your personal details. So right here, just put in your full name and your email address, and then for the username, you can just put whatever you want, and then just enter your password. One thing to take note is that make sure you put in the right email address, because they are going to send you a confirmation email that you have to click on the link to activate your account. Moving on to part number 2, as you can see here, for payment information. Once you make your money, you can cash out your earnings on different payment methods available in your country. You can just put in your payment information, for example, your PayPal email address right here on this box. And moving on to part number 3 for the security question. So you can just choose on one of these options, for example, what was the name of your first pet, and you can just put in your answer of this question right here in this box. So you're just gonna do the same thing on the security question number 2. And moving on for the gender, you just have to select male or female, as you can see here. Finally, for the birthday and also your birthplace, as simple as that. So congratulations on the final step, which is image verification. So you're gonna type in something like this according on what you see right here. For example, in this case, which is AITWZ, as you can see here, based on this image, and I'm just going to read on the rules and click on this to agree to the rules, and I'll just register for a free account, as simple as that. So as you can see here right now, once you log in into your account, you're able to see the leaderboard and also all the people who are making money on this website. For example, number 1, you can see here, this guy actually earned over $800 on this website. And also on the second rank, you can see another guy who is making over $500, $400, $400, and $300. And there are so many people making hundreds and hundreds of dollars right on this website. And one good thing I like about this website is that this is a brand new website that no other people are talking about on YouTube. And I'm gonna be the first one to share this with you. So if you wanna get more first-hand information, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So right now, I'll be showing you a lot of real-life examples. Make sure you pay close attention. So if you are a complete beginner on a brand new account, you're able to see different daily fixed ads, as you can see here. Now for every single ads that you click, you're able to earn money online. So as you can see here, for these ads, you can only earn 0.001 US dollars. Now don't worry, I know what you're thinking, because there are a lot of websites, they're only paying you very little money. If you watch this video all the way until the end, I'll show you how you can multiply your earning and earn over 35 cents per click, which is so much money compared to other people. So this is my secret method, and I'll show you how to do this right on this video. But first of all, I want to show you the basic method to get started. Say for example, if you want to click on this ads, all you gotta do is just go and click on this button, and that's going to take you to a random website as you can see here. So right now this is actually an advertisement. As you can see here, you can actually open this ad on the new window. You can actually close this ad. So right now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna stay on the website. You don't have to actually do anything. As you can see here, you can get paid once you stay on the website for 10 seconds for these ads. So right now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna browse on this website. You have to scroll around and make sure you are active. And one biggest mistake for beginners is that when they visit the website, they'll literally stay there and do not move anything. And the reason why you will not get paid is because this website will think that you are actually a robot. So the best thing that I'll suggest you to do is to actually just move around and act as if you're actually a real human. But don't worry, you don't have to sign up on anything, you don't have to buy anything or click on anything. So once you stay there for 10 seconds, you can actually credit your money into your account. So right there, you can moving on to the next category of ads, which is the standard ads, where you can earn 10 times more money. As you can see here, $0.01. That's exactly how all of these top guys right here, they're able to earn over $800, close to $1,000. So these people right here, they're able to make significant more money compared to other people because they know this secret. If you keep watching this video, I'll show you how you can earn 35 cents per click. So before I show you the method, you want to make sure that you do at least 5 standard ads in order to qualify. So right here, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have a total of 8 standard ads, and make sure you do at least 5 of them in order to qualify. So say for example, if I want to do on these ads, all I gotta do is just gonna click on this box, and once again that's gonna take me to another random website. As you can see here, now you can do this on your computer, you can do this on your phone. So for these ads right here, you have to stay there for 30 seconds. As you can see here, right there, 30 seconds in order to make this money. Now the more money that you earn, the longer you have to stay on the website. Once again, remember what I told you, you have to stay there and keep on moving. So say for example, you just have to scroll around and act as if you're actual human, you're a real human, and you don't have to click on anything, don't have to sign up on anything. So once it is time up for 30 seconds, you're able to receive your money, as simple as that. So right now you have to repeat for another 4 standard ads before you can move on to the highest quality ads. So finally, on the last bonus tip I want to share with you, how you can earn 35 cents per click on this website. So as you can see here on the bottom, first referral contest. You can promote your referral links and earn up to 35 cents per active direct referrals. So all you gotta do is just going to click on this link right here, and that's going to take you to this page as you can see here. So right there you can see on the first one, $0.35, right? 35 cents per active referrals. So that's exactly how you can earn 35 cents per click on this website. Right there, when you go on to the referral contest on this website, you can see here, for example, this guy, he's able to refer 75 people, right? 75 clicks. Every single click's actually worth 35 cents, and he's able to earn a combined total of 26 US dollars. So one thing you're gonna notice when you look at their leaderboard, you can see here the top earners, right? The people who make the most amount of money. Say for example, this guy over 800, right? Close to $900. You can see out of the $900, almost $600 come from the referral earnings, because this is the highest paid method on this website that you can get 0.35, right? 35 cents per click on this website. So by using this method, you can make so much money compared to other people. $500, $400, $300, and earn 35 cents every single click. But before you're able to do that, you gotta complete the daily fix ads as you can see here, and moving on to the standard ads by completing at least 5 ads on this category. And then you can move on to the final category, which is referral clicks, and you can earn 35 cents over and over again. So that's exactly how a lot of people, they're able to make so much money by simply clicking on website.